Justin Brown, your local kind of host, 443 Mountain, 643 Eastern, Southern Manitoba, Southern Alberta, having a cold front moving in, a polar vortex that will change the weather, and it's already changing. Temperatures are dropping right now. Winter storm watches for Southern Manitoba right now. As this cold front moving in, you can see this trough in the north, and it is switching to snow in some areas right now. Great Falls and other areas. We will talk. Here's the winter storm watches right now for Southern Manitoba. So ahead of time, they're warning you ahead of time. It will turn to a warning, if anything, 80 km/h winds, heavy snow between 15 and 30 centimeters of snow, winds, howling, and driving conditions very bad. We go from west to east now, 5 degrees tomorrow in BC, Vancouver, with rain. Before we talk about more about Southern Alberta and Southern Manitoba, we go from Yellowknife today, tomorrow -11, and you can see the cold air is making its way because Yellowknife is cold, and then the bottom will get cold, Western Canada. It's that time of year, and here it is. So 9 degrees, that was today, -3 tomorrow, but tomorrow morning is going to be bad driving. Temperatures dropping, snow. And here's tomorrow, here's 3 a.m. Then at 5 a.m. will be heavy snow at times, between 5 and 10 centimeters according to the computer models tomorrow morning, with driving conditions bad, visibility 0 at times. There might be even some snowfall warnings in southern Alberta tomorrow morning, or maybe tonight. Depends on Environment Canada, but between 5 and 10 centimeters of snow. But the way the temperatures are dropping quick, and it will melt, then it will refreeze. That's some indication for black ice, and that's not good. So be careful on the roads tomorrow. And then Edmonton, nothing much happening. Overcast tomorrow, -4, -5 tomorrow, -11 on Tuesday. So this is now, and this is later on. You could see the cold front making its way down, that polar vortex. And look at Edmonton, -8. Calgary getting into it and getting colder tomorrow afternoon and evening. Here's 1 p.m. on Wednesday. Look at that, -11 and -8 in Calgary. So yeah, it is cold, so wear your winter coat. Saskatoon, +6, well, +1 tomorrow, and between 5 to 10 centimeters of snow on Tuesday. Heavy snow for Regina. It's going to be very heavy. Look at that, 10 to 20 centimeters of snow. Winds gusting up to 65 kilometers per hour. So this is going to be bad for the roads. Look how it's spinning this low. So you could see, bringing the snow, it's a spinning low pressure system. It'll be like blizzard-like conditions. And here's the winter storm watches again. Winnipeg will be in the rain because it's warm, but it'll be turning into flurries in the overnight hours. So Winnipeg, you are clear from the snow. 7 degrees in Thunder Bay, 8 degrees, windy conditions. Look at that. And we could see lake effects, watching for lake effect snow in these areas, okay, on the 21st. Something to do with a polar vortex. Huh? And Toronto, you're going to clear, fine, 12 degrees tomorrow, 8 degrees on Tuesday. Ottawa, 8 degrees. Southern Quebec, nothing much happening there either. Beautiful conditions, nothing much. Well, 4 degrees normal temperature for Montreal and Quebec City, and 8 degrees in Halifax. Overcast skies. St. John's, Newfoundland, 10 degrees, rain showers for tomorrow and Tuesday, and some fog.